Come on, we will start with the next topic, that is error in the product of the two physical quantity. Suppose we will deal with the formula F is equal to ma. So when you find out some mass of the object, suppose you measure the mass of an object, so there must be some error in mass also. And if you find out the acceleration of that object, so there must be some error in the acceleration also. Fine. So definitely error in mass and error in A will create the error in force also. Fine. So when we deal with such physical quantity which is a product of the two physical quantity in general, suppose I replaced this F as Z, mass as A and acceleration as B. So what is an error in A? A is written as A plus or minus delta A. How you write error in B? Fine, that is measured value of B is B plus or minus delta B. So what did you get? So A can be replaced as A plus or minus delta A and this replaced as B plus or minus delta B. If I multiply this, first A is multiplied with this bracket, again B is multiplied with this bracket. So I get AB plus or minus A delta B plus or minus B delta A plus or minus delta A delta B. So this is nothing but it is equal to Z can also be replaced as Z plus or minus delta Z. As A is replaced as A plus or minus delta A, B is replaced as B plus or minus delta B, therefore Z is also replaced as Z plus or minus delta Z. Now you can see that from all these four terms, this term is very small, and the product of this is small, so ultimately their product is much smaller, so this is neglected with respect to these three terms. Fine. So I can write this as A delta B plus or minus B delta A. But what is, you can see that AB is equal to what? AB is again Z, so I replace this as Z plus or minus A delta B plus or minus B delta A. Fine. You can see that Z goes away, fine, from both the side. Now what did you get? Delta Z, fine, is equal to delta A, that is equal, delta Z is equal to plus or minus A delta B plus or minus B delta A. Now what I am doing is dividing Z on both the side. Fine, we can do that. So plus or minus delta Z upon Z is equal to, I can replace this Z as AB and separate the denominators. So what did you get? A delta B upon Z is replaced as AB plus or minus B delta A and Z is replaced as AB. You can see that A get cancels here, B get cancels here. So ultimately to get the maximum fractional, you will get, first I will write this, that is delta A plus delta B plus B. Fine. So whenever you deal with the product of the two physical quantity like these terms, fine, so we will find the error as an fractional error, that is delta Z upon Z is equal to delta A upon A plus delta B upon B. Now we will see, fine, you can see here the Z is equal to AB, as for example Z is equal to MA, you can say. So measured value of A is A plus or minus delta A, measured value of B is B plus or minus delta B, so measured value of Z becomes Z plus or minus delta Z. Fine. So A is replaced as, you can see here, A is replaced as A plus delta A, B is replaced as B plus or minus delta B and Z is replaced as Z plus or minus delta Z. If I multiply these two brackets, we will get four terms, but since delta A is small, delta B is small, so ultimately its product is very small, so this part is neglected in comparison with these three terms. Fine. Now what we are doing is, I am dividing the Z on both the side, that can also be done. Fine. So Z is separated, so Z upon Z becomes 1 plus or minus delta Z upon Z is equal to, so this three also terms get separated with the denominators, so I will replace this Z or I will separate the denominators. Fine. So Z is taken in the denominator and Z is replaced as AB. Fine. So this becomes 1, this becomes A get cancelled, so delta B upon B, here BB get cancelled, so delta A upon A. So ultimately to get the maximum possible error, a fractional error in the product of the two physical quantity, fine, we always take the positive part only, and this becomes a rule for the product of the two physical quantity, that the maximum fractional error in the product of the two physical quantity is equal to the fractional Fine, it is called this is called fractional error in A plus fractional error in B. That means the sum of the fractional error in the individual quantity. I hope you understand.